Ni Etikia kanitha wa gatoreki gukua diocese ya Nairobi aria marikire guthiururuka icigo itiganite ukunguiri-ini wa njira ya mutharaba iria ihuthikaga gutariria minyamariko ya Yesu Kristu na kwambwo gwake. Hindi ya ukunguiri uyu uria Etikia marugamaga maita 14 kuririkana thabari ya Kristu, ritana ria rutwo makiria kuri atongoria ahunjia nene kanithaini uyu makierekeria miario yao kuhoya thirikari kuhukia ciiko cia ungumania.
We need to be revolutionary in our lives to do things that are right, to go in the right path, especially when we are combated with a lot of evil around us. We talk of corruption, we talk of hatred, we talk of manslaughter, we talk of many other things that are not human. These are the things that Jesus Christ came to save us from.
Kuringana na muthikabu munene ya diocese ya Nairobi Philip Nyolo, atongoria amwe moete mutugo wa gwitongia oene matekumakio ni mikarire ya Kenya undu ria ni ugwati na kionereria kia ukoroku.
And when others live, you so live also, and so you so prosper. But if you prosper alone, you are going into darkness. Yeah, we call it corruption in another words. Corruption is darkness that can lead the whole nation to die.
Kristo onoria kirono ria tesiro no heire adocio no heire Judas ona Jews aria mamuragire no amoheire.
Mwena wa Westlands kanithaini wa Consolata Shrine ndumiriri yuma otaino wa Kenya makiurio guikarania na wendo na uiguano guku makirumia thayo icigo-ini ciothe.
So we are also called upon to sacrifice ourselves for our brothers and sisters, and this is the message that Christ is teaching us, a selfless giving love for humanity.
Mwena wa Duberi kaunti ya Kiambu Etikia kanithaini wa St. Joan and Joachim maiteka kuheana ndumiriri ya kuhoya atongoria a bururi kweheria uteti kanithaini undu ukimenererio ta undu uracungiriria nyumba cia ihoero gutuika iharo cia uteti.
Guka gwithondekera ngumo yao tondu ni moga kanitha uguo niguo kanitha irarega tondu mundu wothe oka na ciringi 10 ciringi 2 ona kana ndari na kindu no agathie hau akoga mwathani ndithie na kindu ya kumurehera uguo niguo kanitha yagirire.
Kaunti ya Mombasa na kuetekia meyumirie na uingi gukungwira muthi uyu muthikabu munene gicua-ini Martin Kivuva akimenereria maundu matiganite maria magomeire bururi ta ungumania, kwabatira garama ya muturire undu mwina kuongerereka kwa mitino ya barabara.
Tunaomba nchi tuipendayo ambao kila moja anapenda mwenzake. Uongozi unakuwa unajipeleka mbali sana na ufisadi na mambo ambayo yanahusu uvujaji wa hela za nchi.
Kaunti ya Githumo Etikia maitika guthiururuka matura matiganite makiririkanaga muthi uyu wa bata hari akristiano othe kuria nakuo bururi uhoetwo gwitikira kunyita itemi hari thabari ya uiguano na wohaniri.
Reconciliation, peace, love and unity for everyone that coexist. And as I repeat that the most important element in the world is the human person. Let families reconcile to one another.
Kanitha-ini wa Etikia taunini ya Eldoret kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ona kuo muthi wa kungwiro Etikia na ahunjia ikero ciothe makiyumiria gukungwira njira ya mutharaba kuria ciiko ciica ikuhi cia thogore ya higo iria irekwirwo gutabanĩrio thibitari-ini wa Medihill ikomithĩtio na njira nene.
Have the security agencies among us, including the NSIS, who knew that the kidneys were being donated to some individuals, people coming from far land to come and take the kidneys of our boys and girls here, and yet nothing came out of it. It is very sad. This is also so dehumanizing and so shameful for all of us.
Ciiko ici komithĩtio orire thirikari yanereire kurugamio wira kwa muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa rũhonge rwa ũthondeki wa njanjo rwa Biovax niwe Swarup Mishra uria nowe mwene thibitari ici. Arĩ muthi uria turirikanaga gukua kwa muhonokia Yesu Kristu, Etikia kanitha wa gatoreki ni mathiĩte na mbere gutabania njira ya mutharaba riu atongoria makiurio kuhĩmbĩria wĩrutĩri wa Kristu makiria hari kuhurana na ungumania na kunyihia ukoroko. Arina Kameme TV kuma guku Nairobi, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataro wa Mwangi.